Say something.
James?
What? Who are you? Mom, I thought you told me never to talk to strangers.
Like I said before, Jimmy, please be nice to your new stepfather.
Okay, rich guy. I love it that you're twice as old as my grandfather and you're fat and bald.
That's enough! I've had it with you, you little brat!
You've upset your mother. I've got half a mind to beat you.
Half a mind is right. Suddenly he realizes.
I can't believe you, you little monster. We'll deal with you when we get back from our honeymoon. Next year.
Here we are, boy. Bullworth Academy. Have fun, Jimmy. I'll think of you from our cruise ship.
Whatever.
How many styles I know? I could go out and be very horrible. Make it easy on yourself and just hand it over.
Leave me alone.
Dr. Crabblestick says you're in trouble. Hope you got sick days left. You're gonna need it. I'll bust you up so badly. Have you ever played a game of Grottos and Gremlins? Snot face! Hello there, ma'am. I wonder if I'll have
Ah, yes. So you must be Hopkins.
Uh-huh.
What? Uh-huh. What?
I meant yes, sir.
Very good. Now let me see. You've done a lot of naughty things, haven't you? Vandalism, graffiti, bad language, violent conduct, disrespecting staff. Oh, I'm scared of you, Hopkins.
Come on, give me a break.
Yes, I've never met a boy like you. Never in all my life. Hopkins, you're quite the nastiest little boy I have ever encountered. Tell me, why should I waste my time on you?
I don't know.
Because it's my calling. It's what I do. You excel at causing trouble, and I excel at fixing little boys like you, at making you into respectable members of our community here at the Academy. I've got a good feeling about you, boy. A feeling you and I are going to be great friends. You keep that nose clean, boy, or I shall clean it myself. Miss Danvers, are you back yet?
Yes, Headmaster. And I got your tea.
You are good to me, Miss Danvers.
No more than you deserve, Headmaster.
Take our new friend Hopkins here and show him around the school and get him properly attired.
Certainly, Headmaster. Come along, boy. I haven't got all day.
And boy, remember, you will have a clean nose, so keep it clean, or we'll clean it for you.
So here I am at probably the worst school in the country, whose alumni are nothing but arms dealers, serial killers, and corporate lawyers. Real scum. And that old creep thinks he can tame me? We shall see, my friend. I only give people what they have coming to them.
Where's your uniform, young Hopkins? Run along now, child.
what time it is. Yep, time for a beatdown. Get the new kid. Beat him down. Give him a finisher. Give him a finisher. Stuff that dwarf wad's head up his butt. Boy. Finally, good old teenage bloodshed. Oh, he's getting beat. Take it easy. Ha-ha, yeah. Take the help. Ha-ha-ha. Boy. It's a freaking massacre. Ha-ha, yeah. Take the help. Ha-ha-ha. Boy. Look at the cool guy. That's wicked. You better run if I catch you over. Done. Finished. You wanna play a game?
You know it's funny.
I ain't gonna forget. I never forget. I'll get you back. You're dead, new kid. Dead.
Hey, you! Break it up! That's enough of that! Break it up! Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately!
Aw, come on.
Hey, you're the new kid.
Yeah? What's it to you?
Friendly, aren't you?
Give me a break, loser.
Hey, relax, friend. You're all pent up. Go easy or they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane.
That's fascinating. Now if you'll
I
excuse me.
said relax, friend.
Get off, man.
Listen to me, tough guy. You just arrived at the toughest school in the country, and I'm offering to be your friend. Trust me, in a place like this, you're gonna need friends. So it's up to you. You gonna play nice or what?
Yeah, sure.
Good. So how about I show you around?
Whatever, Johnny. No friends. Idiot.
Taste
You should probably change into your uniform if you don't want to get in trouble. We don't have a bar in the dorm, just a soda machine.
Mayonnaise on my...
Hey, how you doing? You must be the new kid. I'm Pete Kowalski.
Jimmy Hopkins, and don't ask how I'm doing. I've been here 5 minutes and already people want me dead. Even my parents didn't hate me this quickly.
Well, welcome to Bullworth. It's a dump.
Great, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent.
Yeah, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent because I'm really bad. Give up the tough guy act, pal.
Hey man, what's your problem?
Well, ADD primarily, but also life, my parents, this school, Western civilization, but really, honestly, enough about me. Oh, I see you've met the dorm's mascot. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Femboy, the girliest boy in school. Petey, haven't you got some imaginary friends to go annoy?
Why don't you leave me alone, Gary?
Look at you. Leave me alone, Gary. I'm really self-important now that I finally hit puberty. What's your problem? I'm just being nice to the new kid as he passes through Bullworth on his inevitable journey to prison.
Look, I gotta unpack. Would you guys mind getting out of here?
Oh, now look what you've done, Pete. Jimmy can't stand you already.
You want a piece of fatty? Goofus. Frequencies open. Guess you're not addicted to breathing, huh? I'm clearly going places.
You know I don't like to tattle, but that's what I'm going to do.
Hey, jackass!
Excuse me, but I know who did it.
That is ridiculous.
can't stand it here.
Hey, Jimmy, let me show you around this prison.
People want to stay. What do you think?
That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
Vocal cords out!
I'm really sorry.
You cat now!
Aw, please.
Stupid. You don't know what pain is! Next time you get more doofus!
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him. Don't let the prefects see you break any rules. They'll hurt you. Well done.
You do know you're not supposed to be doing that.
Your feet stink! I don't know about that at all. She'd be so mad. Why am I so attracted when everyone is talking about this? I wish I could go to the city.
Hey, Hopkins, you psychotic gimp. This way. Oh, man, there's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Go, see what she wants.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey, what's new?
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
Don't push me. There he is. Show him what you're made of, Jimmy.
Whoa, take this stupid chocolate. You know you love it. Does that make you feel big and strong?
Watch it.
Thanks! Wanna make out?
Sheesh.
I'll remember this forever!
You actually
Jimmy!
kissed him. Let's go to the careful, idiot.
I told him I'd help. I just want to graduate.
Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over there are the greasers. They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them, at least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the school. Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
You're here to learn,
not to goof off. Get to class.
What are you doing in here? Oh, right. Class. Take care to follow my instructions precisely, as we will be working with volatile chemicals today. Fascinating, isn't it? Keep up the good work. You're almost done. Good job. Keep paying attention. Satisfactory work, James. I'll see you next.
Straight up awesome. That was easy.
What if I start a rumor about your
You seem to be making yourself quite comfortable here, my boy.
I'm just trying to fit in.
By fighting? By making a nuisance of yourself? That is not the Bulworth way, boy.
Yeah, you could have fooled me.
What?
I said you could have fooled me. This place is full of bullies and maniacs.
Nonsense! That's just school spirit. Hijinks. Why, in my day, we felt nothing of castrating the new boys. I want you to stop this nonsense, Hopkins. I want you to behave yourself. You might learn something.
Fine. Can I go now, sir?
On your way.
Hey, I saw you sucking up to Crabble Snitch.
What? Shut up.
Screw you, new kid. This is what we do to teachers' pets around here.
You better not. Ow! Come here, you little...
Yeah, come and get me.
You're a whip, new kid.
You suck!
I'll get him here.
You better run! If I catch you, you're over!
Glad that's done.
Why are you not class?
I'll be a cardiovascular surgeon or a neurologist. I do not want to be a dermatologist.
Lose your head!
Ah, hello, class. The curriculum demands that you do these vocabulary assignments. Why don't you finish them here in class? That way you'll have more free time. I don't think that's in the dictionary. I'm afraid that's not English. Good one. Try again, James. Well done. That's right. That has to be some sort of slang, yes? Try again, James. Try again, James. Good show. Try again, James. Keep it up. Try again, James. 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 Come on, James! Just apply yourself a little harder!
Used to be a
ashamed of yourself.